Hello everyone, this is Freename on YouTube here with a video on how to factory reset this TP-Link access point, which is an EAP653 and then in brackets EU. So this is currently configured through a controller and I want to factory reset it to default so that I can either adopt it again on another controller or configure it as a standalone access point. So at the moment it's on, I can see the old Wi-Fi name that it's transmitting, and also the LED status light is solid blue. What you need is an unbent paperclip or some other long pointy thing, and on the back of the access point to the right of the LAN socket is a reset hole. I will let you know when I'm going to press it, so I'll get it ready, but I won't press it yet. I'll let you know when I'm going to press it, and you can see what the light on the front does when I do this process. So I'm going to press it in a couple of seconds, just about now. And I'm keeping it held down. 5 seconds later the light is flashing blue, and I've let go of the reset button. And now we wait for this to restart. It stopped responding to pings on the network, so I can tell this is now restarting or loading up its OS again. Interesting that the light is still solid blue. Like, how do you know the difference between I'm rebooting with solid blue and I'm working with solid blue? So that's a bit of a strange one for the TP-Link status light there. And it's now started flashing, which I assume means it's loading its OS. Alright, gone solid again. And it's responding to pings again now. It's now definitely back to factory settings. If I load up its web interface on the IP address my DHCP server has given it, then and log in with admin and admin, which is the default password, it now asks me to set up a new password and also configure the access point. So that is how you factory reset this TP-Link Omada EAP653 EU AX3000 ceiling mounted Wi-Fi 6 access point. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the video notifications switched on, but the subscriber numbers really are helpful. So thank you very much.